Hi there, students. To codify. Codify. A verb. Codification. A noun. And I guess codified, an adjective. Okay, to codify means to collect a set of things, particularly laws or maybe rules or the books, and arrange them in a systematic form. Okay, so to arrange laws and rules into a formal system so that people can follow them. So, for example, many industries try to codify what is best practice in that industry, to put these rules in a simple form that is easy to follow. Okay, to codify something into the law, to make it part of the formal system. Okay, so to codify, to organize and write a system for something, particularly for laws and for rules. You can also use codify, meaning to express something in a standard form, in a conventional form. So I think, for example, we've got hundreds of dictionaries with lots of different definitions and different ideas, but I think we need to codify the definition of the English language, the definition of the meaning of different words. Okay, so that would be helpful because there would be set clear definitions that explained the words very clearly. Okay, so to codify, to put something into a systematic system, yeah? You can also use codify, notice, meaning to code, to put something in code. I need to codify this before I send it to the secret agent. I'd probably just say need to code this as well. And clearly codify and code are linked to each other directly. So, to codify, to systematize, to make into a system, to standardize procedures, to standardize a process, yeah? And then you could also use it to classify. So this type of incident is codified as a road traffic accident. It's classified. Yeah? How would you codify this? What class of things would you put it in? Where does it fit in the system, in the codified system? Yeah? Okay, so to catalogue, to classify, to summarize, yeah, the codification of laws, to collect them into one system where you can understand them. Well, I think laws should be understandable, and I don't think laws should be enforced if they're not easily understood by the general public. Okay, so codify, to reduce laws into a code or to make a systematic collection of something. So he codified all of the poems by William Wordsworth. He wrote a list of them and said number 1 this, number 2 this, or they were codified by date, they were catalogued, yeah, they were ordered, and this is the idea of to codify something. Okay, as to formality, to codify, this sounds rather legal. I'm going to give it a 6, maybe 6.5 in formality. Informal conversation, no way. Semi-formal conversation, okay. Semi-formal writing, brilliant. Formal writing, brilliant. Legal writing, brilliant as well. And then as to origin, well, as I said, it comes from code, and code comes from the Latin word codex, yeah, which was a tablet or a piece of wood which they covered in wax so that they could write on it. Yeah, and this is the idea of, for example, a book or the laws were written on these codexes. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Codify, codification, codified.